And the race is on. Royal Ares from the outside, rushing up Dragon King. Down on the inside, Skip the Stag, run like the wind. Moving up is Amarosa. Down in sixth, Stout Hearted. Rushing up is Teritun. From the outside, Simple Beauty Doomstead. While Beat the Hit is the early trailer. It's Dragon King by Sound, 3 lengths, followed by Skip the Stag. Run like the wind is racing in third by Sound, 4 lengths, Amarosa. Royal Ares alongside is Teritun. And rounding the far turn, Dragon King, this time by Sound, 4 lengths. Followed by Skip the Stag, Amarosa from the outside, run like the wind. Teritun racing in fifth, moving up by Darrell is Royal Ares. Racing towards the last 450 and going to the final corner, Dragon King still leading the pack by some 5 lengths, followed now by Amarosa. Royal Ares from the outside, run like the wind. Doomstead, Skip the Stag, Teritun, Simple Beauty, and Stout-Hearted beat the heat. And nearing the finish line, Dragon King, Royal Ares, and Amarosa, Doomstead, Simple Beauty, and finally, Dragon King, second close, Doomstead, Royal Ares, Amarosa, and Simple Beauty run like the wind. Teritun, Skip the Stag, Stout Heart, and with the hit.